Hi kids, today we are going to learn about antonyms. If you're wondering what the antonyms is, antonyms are the words that have opposite meanings. Let's learn antonyms by some examples. Large and small. Large and small are antonyms. Fast and slow are opposite for each other. They are antonyms. Tall and short. Tall and short are antonyms. Strong and weak. Hard and soft. Day and night. Hot and cold. Heavy and light. Happy and sad. Happy and sad are the antonyms. Full and empty. Easy and hard. Clean and dirty. Old and young. Wet and dry. Open and closed. Right and left. Save and spend. Sleep and wake up. Loud and quiet. Sit and stand. Over and under. Cheap and expensive. Broken and whole. Near and far. Old and new. Walk and run. Few and many. In front and behind. Up and down. So kids, antonyms are the words that have opposite meaning. Play a game. Pick the words that are opposite for each other. Good, bad, and show. Yes, good and bad are the antonyms. They are opposite for each other. Try this one. Sale, buy, great. You are right kids. Sale and buy are the antonyms because they are opposite for each other. One more time. Go, will, want. Will and want are the opposite from each other, so they are antonyms. Well done kids. We had lots of fun today. See you in the next lesson. Till then, bye bye. But don't forget to subscribe.